We're delighted to announce you can now share your STAGEit scenes with iOS users. Hello. We're really excited about a new app that we have for STAGEit, which is the iPadOS and the iOS STAGEit companion app. So for those of you that have a Vision Pro and you're using STAGEit and you've got a scene and maybe you're trying to tweak it or you're trying to show it, and you want other people to interact with it, but they don't have a Vision Pro, because at the minute you can share that experience either by a share play or you can share that experience with two Vision Pros working off the same marker. Well, we've now extended the ability to share a scene to an iOS device or an iPadOS device, and you can view that scene collaboratively on multiple iOS devices, or indeed combining it with a Vision Pro device. So here's a video on how that works. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to share the STAGEit scene. So STAGEit's going to package it up and I'm going to airdrop it to my iPad. Sped this up a bit. There we go. Now I'm going to import that scene into STAGEit Viewer. By the way, we have upgraded the UX. When this is released, it'll be gorgeous. And so now what I'm going to do is load the scene on the Vision Pro, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the marker to load it so that they both can be placed in exactly the same place. And it's an interesting scene, I guess. Bit of a cylinder with a graphic on it to the right there, and some animated models, a weird guy with a gun. It's all very exciting. Right, now I'm going to load the iPad version. Here it is without the scene placed. You can see nothing there, obviously. But if we use now the marker to place it, so in this example, you can see that the scenes are totally synced up. This is really useful when you're wanting to show somebody what you're working on. Either you put the Vision Pro on and you can walk them around, or they can use their iPhone or iPad to follow what you're looking at. And you can have real meaningful conversations without everybody having an AVP. The other beauty is you don't have to be in the same place. They could email you the scene and you could load it from halfway around the world and explore it using your iOS or your iPadOS device. That is iPadOS and iOS STAGEit Viewer. Hope you find that feature useful. Cheers.